Hey guys, I'm the Bento Buster, and today I'm going to make my version of the Hard Rock Cafe's grilled chicken and pineapple quesadillas. Now in the past, I've eaten these things tons of times, but today I'm going to make it myself. And if you read between the lines, that means I know what the final product tastes like, but I have no idea how to make it, so let's get started. I'm going to start off by grilling a slice of pineapple and some chicken leftovers. And to give the chicken a little bit more character, I'm going to add some Creole spice. Take note, I'm using no oil in my skillet. That's because I'm going to grill these babies with my blowtorch. The pineapple and chicken are already moist, so a little bit of charring will help enhance those natural flavors of the pineapple and that Creole spice. And remember, this leftover chicken is already cooked, so basically I'm just reheating it. Now this pineapple is super fresh and I've been grilling it for quite a while, and this is the only charring marks that I'm getting, but hey, I'm gonna go with that. Between me and you, I had some pineapple off camera and it was very sweet indeed. So I think it's pretty much good to go. Now I'm not sure they do this at the Hard Rock Cafe, but I'm going to bust out my scissors and cut it into small pieces. Okay, so everything's cut nicely into uniformed size small chunks, so now it's time to start building our quesadilla. Now to make the quesadilla, I'm going to need one large tortilla. Now in Japan they're pretty hard to find, but thanks to Costco, I have a ton of them in my fridge. And I should point out I haven't turned on the skillet yet. Once everything's in place, then I'm going to turn it on and start cooking, but not yet. Okay, so far I've oiled the skillet and I've placed the tortilla on top, and now I'm going to fill up half the tortilla with the filling. So first goes on the chicken and the pineapple, followed by some coriander and some red onion. And all you have to do is to sprinkle them evenly across the quesadilla. Yep, it's pretty much like making a massive grilled cheese sandwich. And next a dash of pepper. Okay, it's looking pretty good, but we haven't finished yet. There's still a little bit more to go. We still have to add this bad boy, Jack Daniel's BBQ Sauce. Now, I'm not sure if the Hard Rock Cafe actually used this one, but hey, who cares? It's what I have in my fridge. And now it's time for a little bit of cheese that I also picked up at Costco. And I think this cheese is called Havarti. From memory, that's about it. So now I'm going to fold over the tortilla, turn on the heat, and start to cook it. Now, if you want to give it a little bit more kick, you could throw in some jalapenos, but I didn't, mainly because I forgot to get some. Now, I must point out that making the quesadilla by folding the tortilla over is not as easy as it looks. Sometimes they're quite temperamental and don't want to stay there, so just hold it in place until it kind of cooks a little bit, and then it should be good. And the real tricky part is flipping this bad boy. If you're timid or haven't got your wits about you, that could be the make or break of this thing. My advice is to place the quesadilla in the center of the pan, making sure that the filling's intact and not spilling out. Then using your spatula, lift it off the pan, then flip it as quickly as possible and hope for the best. That technique tends to work about 7 times out of 10. And if any of the filling does come spilling out, we'll just tuck it back in because nobody's gonna know, apart from you. Okay, that's a great view on the Bento Buster cam, and it kind of looks like a massive gyoza with pineapple in it. And when the quesadilla is golden brown and crispy on both sides, it's time to take it off and serve it up. Now this quesadilla is packed full of awkward ingredients, so I'm gonna cut it into 3 pieces and hope that everything stays in. Okay, so far so good. Now it's just a matter of picking this thing up. Now there's a slight bit of spillage there, but hey, it's gone back in. Just you watch. Well, eventually it's going back in. Haha, there you go. Okay, there it is, a nice slice of quesadilla. Or is it a piece of quesadilla? Anyway, it's going in my mouth. Oh yes, that is a quesadilla. It's pineapple-y, it's barbecue-y, it's crispy, it's coriander-y, and oh yes, it's cheesy. This, guys, is very delicious. Oishi. Now this is a nice little thing that anyone can make, and it's very reminiscent of that Hard Rock Cafe quesadilla that I've had a few times. And if you look at my waistline, a few too many times, possibly. Now I wonder what it would taste like with a little bit of sour cream. Oh yes, that is the ticket. That's good. So guys, all in all, it's a great success. I really think you should give it a go. All of these ingredients are highly accessible and you probably have them in your kitchen at the moment. Go and look. And if they're all there, well, make it today. And if you haven't got real pineapple, well, bust out that cheap canned stuff. Then you too can experience this quesadilla in the comfort of your own home. Okay guys, well it's that time again. Thanks for watching. I'm the Bento Buster and I'll see ya next time. As always, stay safe and stay strong. Kia kaha.